Okay, Cyrus says, sorry about the name.
Sairu. So I feel like it's
We'll call
easy.
it Ruhi says.
Okay, ठीक है.
Don't know, I don't get that baby thing here.
It's so cute. It's your shicky pooky moment. I think the first wave of COVID, all I did was playing Call of Duty and working. So I was like, what am I doing with my life?
And you're an inspiration to a lot of young girls and boys, and you'll be telling them, don't work hard.
To be honest, work smart.
Work smart,
Yeah. Mama is watching, so I'm
Mama's
just like,
watching.
yeah.
Sorry, auntie, sorry.
Because you know, whenever I show my mom a video, मैंने समझ नहीं आ रहा. I was scared of doing a reality TV show because I am.
It'll all come out. Your personality will come
Yes,
out.
I'm
Yeah.
just glad it came out, but they didn't show.
Yeah.
Oh wow, thank God.
They didn't show.
I'm not political. I'm Sushmanical.
What the hell is that?
You can Google that.
I feel, honestly, I'm Ruhi now.
That's why I killed it in Alliance because I was like, yeah, nobody knows that. Yeah,
Uncle knows all this. Uncle doesn't move much.
So I called him. I was like, भाई कितना चार्ज करूँ मुझे ये सब बता दे.
How much did you charge?
Oh, I'll tell you later after the show.
Okay.
अभी ज़्यादा.
Put the mics on.
I really enjoyed Alliance because it was a game show. But if it's just to like fight about random
People
shit or
living
food,
together and how to.
I'm not doing
so
that.
Big Boss basically.
मैं
you're
तो
not.
बाहर हूँ.
हाँ. Okay, Cyrus says, sorry about the name. My mom said just put your name in
Okay.
it because, otherwise I don't want to remember you, so I
Yeah.
kept the name in it.
I feel
But
it's
we'll call
easy.
it Ruhi Says.
Okay, ठीक है. Hope.
Ruhi Says.
Yeah.
Ruhi Says is the name of the show. Ruhi is a phenomenon right now. Not right now, it's been for some time, but this Alliance show did really well.
Yes.
And where she re-got into prominence, you could say. I think you can't get out of reality show space now. आजकल वो तो सबसे important चीज़ है. If you don't do it, you're out of touch.
पता नहीं. I feel like it's my first reality show, so I was just like, I'm turning 30 next year. I'll just say yes to anything and everything. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Oh, age.
Why didn't we
Oops.
tell you no age to be mentioned?
Oops.
I'm
See, but
so-
still, like,
she's turning 30. She's not even 30. She's turning 30. This is like really teasing me. This is worse than saying Ma Behan Kali. Say Ma Behan Kali, I'm okay with that. Ooch, I'm turning 30.
But
My
you don't-
heart starts shaking. But look, what is this nonsense?
you look young and fit.
Now too late.
Fit, though, of course.
Too late. Well done. Okay.
But
So
yeah.
turning 30, I
Yeah.
can't remember what it was like to feel worried about 30 mein kya hoga. I mean, just thinking, this is one thing we've learned. As you age, just be grateful. Find someone who's older. And then you'll find the boss, it's not that bad. It's all relative, no?
That's why I'm surrounded by like
Whoa!
good crowd.
In your face!
Good crowd. No, but yeah, that was the only reason why I did reality TV show. Otherwise, for
Sorry,
me,
this guy wants to be a star, Suresh. Can you launch him in your dance videos?
Of course, I
Suresh,
genuinely
तू dancing
can.
करता है या नहीं?
Sir,
अभी नहीं मतलब अभी नहीं अब वर्किंग आवर्स में नहीं करो.
बाद में done. Yes.
बाद में don't he'll follow you home.
Oh, what is
Suresh, Kandivli East.
Thakur Village.
Don't say that. People will come outside the area and start shouting your name.
Oh my
Okay, so Rui, let's start at the top and then we'll get into the dancing, and you have done collabs with very big names as well and all at such a young age. So, what's with the topi? That's LA.
Yeah, I just
Lakers.
feel like it's something that I.
Oh, you live abroad. Punjabi Kudi.
I used to, yes.
What was that thing I read?
Punjabi Kudi was in. Oh, what was it? I forgot. Yeah,
Huh.
was in like
No, but there was a
foreign, now in
slogan.
Bombay.
Huh.
Something like that,
Huh.
yeah. Punjab di Kudi.
Between the two of us, we can't remember it.
Wow, I can't remember my
Punjabi
own
Kudi we
bio.
can, but it said like
something that I was in
stays abroad,
yeah,
lives abroad.
I was in the
something like
States,
that, yeah.
but now I'm back to Mumbai.
So you grew up in the States?
So I was born in the States. I grew up in Mumbai, and
Okay.
then I turned 17.
Because your
and
accent
then-
is not statesy.
No. When I land and I go there and I meet my friends, then I have to switch it on.
Switch it on, na?
Oh, absolutely cannot. I'll get ruined. They'll like my friends here. They'll just bully me. यहाँ आके मुझे करना पड़ता है normal. I'm from Kandivali. I can't be like, yo,
Oh,
what's
shit.
happening?
That's right. LA to
Yeah.
Kandivali, that's the story.
Exactly. Baltimore to Kandivali.
You can see how America is going through bad times. Going from LA to Kandivali is a step up.
I think it is.
Yeah.
For work-wise, especially like in work, I was just like, I didn't even think like twice because I was working there. I had a full-time job, and then I moved
Like
here.
conventional job.
Proper job, yeah, 9 to 5, proper. Like I did that for 8 years.
Wow.
And
But
then I
you're not
started-
yet 30. But when did you start working? Child labor, Donald Trump ko bulao.
18.
At 18?
Yeah, 18.
What job was this?
I started working for Dunkin' Donuts. Of course, every Indian does that.
Okay,
in the States.
like you serve the okay.
Yeah, yeah. So I got to know about coffee, and then I got to like warehouse position. Then I started working in the
So you worked
warehouse.
on the corporate side.
Yeah. And then I got into like management, then into tech.
Rui, why do you leave that?
I was struggling to leave. I'm not gonna lie. Like
It sounds like a good job.
yes, it was nice. I was also having fun, but then the money is here, so I was just
That's
like,
true.
Let's milk it, and then Worst case, we'll go back to 9 to 5. Like, you know, there's no like.
You'll never go back to 9 to 5 now.
In the States,
You
I
got-
wouldn't mind. Here, I don't know. I've never
चार
done it.
मैनेजर, एक मैशियर, एक बॉडीगार्ड, 10 फैन लोग बाहर मार्केटिंग और सेल्स डिपार्टमेंट में we want to meet Ruhi. You can't go back to Dunkin' Donuts and
No,
serve
but
bloody coffee.
I'm telling you.
Not a bad thing though. Huh.
Yeah, whatever makes me happy, I'll do that. Because, see, like reality TV shows also, after a like this was never my plan. You know, entertainment was never my plan. So I feel like जब तक चल रहा चलने दूंगी, once I get annoyed of it and I get irritated, I'll leave and I'll go back to doing whatever I feel like, you know,
Why do
is
you-
making me happy.
Such a cynical mind at such a young age. 17-year-old girl comes here and says all these things.
Yeah.
Why do you think that? Why are you thinking like that?
It's maybe because
You're just starting in
the
this.
thing is, at the end of the day, whatever makes me happy is what I want to do. I don't want to go for like money or like what. Of course, I love money. Who doesn't? But I just want to be happy. Because kama ke kya kar rahe life mein, yaar? Like I just want to enjoy. I want to have that balance. And I feel like I've been through a phase where I was mentally stressing so much that I was like forgetting मैं इतना कर रही हूँ. You know, I'm also working. I'm also making money. I'm not like living life.
Now you know what
So
you're
I
doing.
changed.
You're making me feel I'm like the younger person. You're the older person. I feel honestly I'm Ruhi now, and you know that I should. You're talking like someone who's seen the world and gone through a lot.
It's also because I moved to the States when I was alone. So I feel
Why-
like going through.
Can we know the story if it's okay?
Wow, it's a long story. So I turned. My dad passed away in 2016.
sorry.
It's okay. So my mom was just like, "Ja, abhi US ja, tu kar kuch karna hai. Whatever you want to do, because I have a US passport. I was born in the
Oh,
States."
right.
Yeah. So I moved to the States with no plan. And through like mutual friend, I was living with some like family. Then I got mugged for like $800 by that same family.
Mugged by a family
Yeah,
that
yeah,
you're living
like,
with.
You know, I broke my phone and then I bought a phone. And you know, in the
What's it?
States,
I want to know about the mugging.
वही मैं बता रही हूँ. So I bought a phone
हाँ.
because मेरा phone टूट गया था वहाँ पे.
हाँ.
So मैंने बोला FaceTime कैसे करूँगी मम्मी को. So I bought a phone in the family plan, and in the States, you know, you do family plans.
Right.
So this guy, he told me that you go to Maryland, I'll give you a job and everything, and write me a check for your phone so that तेरा service अलग हो जाएगा and you'll get separate your proper phone line. उसने मेरे से check ले लिया and I was 17. I didn't know मेरे को तो check भी भरना नहीं आता था.
$800 का
ले लिया उसने.
सर्विसिंग चार्ज.
मतलब प्रॉपर फोन का चार्ज. बेसिकली यू पे EMI एंड ऑल. उसने बोला मैं $800 पूरा भर देता हूँ फोन का एंड देन यू विल बी फ्री फ्रॉम लाइक अ फैमिली प्लान. उसने कभी भरा ही नहीं वो फोन का पैसा. सो व्हेन आई मूव टू मैरीलैंड मेरा सर्विस भी चला गया एंड ओवर देयर you can't, like, if you don't pay your phone ka amount,
It cuts
your phone,
immediately.
yeah, exactly. You have to either buy a new phone or pay the whole amount again. So and then he told me that you'll move to Maryland and you'll get a job and everything. You know, you can also study. कुछ नहीं मिला मुझे. बहुत बड़ा पोपट बना दिया उसने. And then I applied for like the army. I did a lot. So I feel
But
like
in Gujarati and Marathi is a whole different meaning. I hope
I
you know
actually
what
wanted
you're
to say
saying.
that only, but then I was like, I'll be like,
I may be old, but I remember my
No,
words.
no.
Words are still there.
Mama is watching, so I'm
Mama's
just like,
watching.
yeah.
Sorry,
Mom.
auntie. Sorry.
That's
She
why I
might be
was
younger
like-
than me. Hey, sister. You never know. Huh?
So yeah, the whole story. Then छोटे experiences, right? Like I didn't. Then I was not trusting people there, and then I found good people also. So वहाँ से अकेले रह के.
But how did you pay bills and all that if you had no?
Then I got a job. Then I worked at Dunkin' Donuts, and then I was also working at a warehouse. So I was doing 2 jobs.
Wow.
And I was only sleeping during the weekends.
Wow.
So and I was young, so I was like, fuck it. I wanted a camera. I had like lots of dreams, and I was like, I'm young. Let's do this. वहाँ से कहीं ना कहीं करके I got into proper like management level. Like I was a supervisor at Amazon warehouse. I got to know that I'm good with like tech work. So then I applied for a tech job. I've only studied 12वीं तक, 12th तक. उसके बाद but I figured कि
But
street
tech
smart
is not
होना-
about studies.
Yeah, but exactly,
Yeah.
street smart होना is like, you know, coding के नीचे वाला position में apply कर देती हूँ. And then I got that job also. It's very easy to get a job
Hey,
in
you
the
want to get a
States.
job in IBM? We have tech support issues on your way out.
So,
पैसा, you sarcastic woman. पैसा कहाँ से आएगा?
but I enjoyed so much working at a warehouse. It was just like I was doing night shift and then so much struggle ना. उसके बाद से मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है अभी सब
But
अच्छा है.
2 jobs you were doing decently. I mean, it was horrible
It was
timing and all that,
terrible.
but
It was,
पैसा तो था.
पैसा आ रहा था and I was alone by myself. So mummy was also like, don't send me money. So I was like, okay, ma, because I sent her like first paycheck, I sent her $500.
How sweet, huh?
She's like, absolutely not. Don't do this. You take care of yourself. So वहाँ से I learned how to deal with money. There was a guy who was guiding me, my friend who I met there. And वहाँ से I bought a car. That's when I felt
Desi guy or non-desi guy?
Desi guy.
Ah.
Yeah, so see how Desi
So one
family
Desi
also-
family screwed you, one Desi family helped you.
Exactly. So that's why That's why I was like, I'll give people chances, even in life, even in the show. I was like, I'll trust people blindly, but then if they fuck me over, then I'm like, bye-bye.
I like that attitude. I think people should trust first. You should not mistrust first. It's
Exactly.
a wrong attitude.
Yeah, because
Very
people
negative.
can fuck around with other people, but what if they're nice to you?
No, I think the premise should be that people are good. If you think people are bad, your life sucks anyway.
Exactly.
Right?
I agree. Always see the good side.
Dekha, we bonded. 70-year difference, but we bonded.
17. Sorry.
Not 17,
Let me
more than
come
that.
after
Don't
one.
say that.
Yes.
People will start count. People are so petty. They'll count and send me. They'll send me the exact to the day and hour.
Oh my
so
God.
unfair. So the struggle was on. But in the meantime, were you doing these videos that started making you
Nothing.
famous?
Then
No.
COVID hit.
Huh.
And I started working from home. Then I was into my tech job, okay? So I was working from home. And then COVID hit and Reels showed up in the States first. I was never on TikTok. So Instagram Reel, so my friends around me, we were all chilling. I think India, there was second wave, third wave. In the States, only first wave of COVID.
Right.
So we were meeting. So
Then
we
Donald
started-
Trump cancelled the COVID.
Yeah.
He said we've removed it.
He was like, it's done. This is fake. What not?
I've
Something
taken the
happened.
Mexicans and COVID out. No.
So then I started creating videos. And this one video I created on Diljit Dosanjh's song. And he reposted the
This is
video.
all your time pass you were doing.
Full time pass,
Yeah.
full masti. Because I was missing home.
How did he repost it?
I don't even know. I was very happy.
That's a superb jump,
Yeah.
no?
So when he did that, and I started getting like, the validation, I was
Hmm.
like, whoa, that's fun. And then I got my first brand call, is when I was like, oh, you can make money. So that's when I started and I never stopped. So वहाँ से
But that's
एकदम शुरू हो गया.
fantastic. The first video.
First video के बाद I think 2-3 videos I made, and even Yashraj Mukhate was making like music.
Yeah,
at that
yeah,
time.
yeah. He's been here.
So uske music se I was like, he was posting new music, and I was creating trends, and then people were following our trends.
So you got picked up by these guys immediately, as in you made
Very.
noise and they picked it up immediately.
Very luckily, like the first, I think top 10-20 creators में से like COVID babies, that's what they call us. So वहाँ से हो गया शुरू, और फिर मैंने बंद ही नहीं किया. मैंने बोला इतने पैसे मिल रहे वीडियो बनाने के, fuck yes, let's go.
But you were a good dancer.
So I did.
It turns out you're a good dancer, but in your head, what did you think?
I think, see, I love dancing. I've never learned dancing. But then all this Ganpati Visarjan mein, Navratri mein Garba, ये सब Mumbai
It's
के
just your
upbringing
natural
में,
dancing that you do growing up.
yes. And the music also I choose is like very like you would want to move. You know, it's not like boring music. It's always like usually 90s, 2000s, Govinda ke songs. I like that kind of music. Whatever makes me move. So I enjoy, and I got to know that I'm also good with editing. I only edit my own videos.
Oh wow.
I only
Why such a
like,
big team?
just to
Let some go.
on track.
बाद में
Actually
करता
है
हूँ।
तो एक
Don't-
दो
बस सामने मत करो, सामने मत करो। Don't hurt their feelings. और
नहीं, cute team है.
एक आदमी तो कांदीप लेकर है. It's even more embarrassing to share the Uber while going home.
साथ में I drop him off. Or he does. He drops me off. But then, yeah, I like it. I like the teamwork also. I kind of am like again struggling to find an editor because the way I edit, मुझे मिल ही नहीं रहा वैसा
It's a very
कोई बंदा.
personal thing.
Yeah, it's very irritating. So I'm just like, fuck it, I'll do my own stuff. But the team is here for the monetization, talking to people, negotiating, because I can't do
No,
that.
I think editing, you should, if you're good at it, you should keep it because it's your
Yes.
voice, and very often our voice changes and other people edit it.
Yes.
Because it's not exactly the way you see it, and then you see it and say what happened there.
Yeah. So I have to sit with the editor. उससे अच्छा मैंने बोला मैं ही कर लेती हूँ.
हाँ.
मैं उसको बताने जाऊँगी, उससे अच्छा मैं ही करती हूँ. You take care of the rest of the stuff. So yeah.
Fair. But let's understand this whole I mean, it's almost like a fairy tale. You're working in Dunkin' Donuts. You got a warehouse, Amazon warehouse job, which is slightly structurally sounding better.
Yeah.
COVID hits you. You just start posting videos to kill time, like everybody in the world. How to do to kill time? We all did that.
Yes.
And then within 2 or 3 videos, Diljit reaches out. You got these big names. Yashraj, all these people are reaching out to you,
Yes.
which means one, obviously that you were very good and just hit the.
I think I was reaching out to them. I mean, I was just creating and
Yeah,
they
but
were
many
liking
people are
it.
reaching out to them, but they don't get any
The
response.
thing is, it was COVID time. Everybody was at home doing
Hmm.
nothing. I think the first wave of COVID, all I did was play. I was only playing Call of Duty
Hmm.
and working. So I was like, what am I doing with my life? मैं तो भी दिन में जग रही हूँ. मेरे तो दोस्त इंडिया में रात में जग के खेल रहे मेरे साथ. So I was just like, I was feeling like I can do a lot more because I'm home and I'm working from home. So that's when I was just like, let's create videos. Also, before moving to the States, I did create like 2 YouTube videos because my plan was either to get into YouTube or go to the States. And then I was just like, fuck it, let's go to the States.
So you had made YouTube videos
yeah,
here,
like 2 videos.
but they moved anywhere. Like people saw.
20,000, and that's a lot
It's
for
not
me.
bad.
Yeah,
Not
lot
bad for a
me.
person who's not known.
Yeah, that was
So
a
you
lot
immediately
for
got
me.
20,000.
Yeah, I have.
On your way out, talk to people at IVM. We still don't have 20,000 on any of our videos.
I think I know so many people that helped, and then mutuals.
The internet is a strange thing. Now no one can explain why it flies sometimes.
Yes,
and
that's true.
And it's not even whether you're good or bad. You're just in some ways it's just that you hit the right notes, and that's what happens.
And I feel like whatever you put like zyada effort, that doesn't fly. But if you just make a raw video, that
so you're
works
telling
out.
the people, and you're an inspiration to a lot of young girls and boys, and you'll be telling them don't work hard.
To be honest, work smart.
Work smart.
Yeah.
Don't work hard. मेहनत करते ऐसे कुछ नहीं होता. Work smart.
Yeah, work smart. Definitely. I think it's a mix of both, because वो over stress लेके कुछ मजा नहीं आता. तुम्हें मजे भी करने चाहिए, थोड़ा दिमाग भी
And
डालो.
there's no exact science. ना, otherwise all of us would be super 10 million.
I'm not gonna lie, whatever I create ऐसा phone रख के कुछ भी बकवास does really well, and then जहाँ पे मैंने 3-4 घंटे की मेहनत डाली हो, वो ऐसा मतलब it doesn't do well. And that's when I was like, fuck it, I'll do whatever I feel like doing, and I'll enjoy doing it. लोगों को पसंद आए नहीं आए.
Fair.
And that's on me.
I agree with this completely, because we put we have lights and shooting and script and this and that, and 10 people watch. But my wife abuses me, and it's badly shot, and 5 million people watch. So I've given up. No, I've really given up, because you cannot tell the internet what to do.
I get it, because whenever I show my mom a video, मैंने समझ नहीं आ रहा. That video does like 10-15 million.
I don't. So that God knows what it. Maybe the realistic angle is there somewhat, but you've not lit it, you've not shot it, you've not edited it.
She doesn't understand only. So now that's my goal. Like whenever I shoot a video, I'm like, Mama, see, अच्छा नहीं अच्छा लगा, अच्छा करेगा. That's my thing. Like whenever she's like, wow, I really like the video, I'm like, oh shit.
So now she's become the muse.
Yeah, she is.
She doesn't know yet. Now you need her in every video.
She is. She loves creating videos though. Like whenever I create videos with my mama also, कभी 1.5 महीना हो गया ना, and I'm not shot any video with her. She's like, Ruha, what time ho gaya? You didn't shoot with me. I was like, come on, let's do it. Because sometimes I'm like, I don't want to force her. I just want to enjoy and do it. But she also enjoys it. So it's fun, yeah.
But is she proud of you now?
Very.
Not now. Always, she's always proud of you.
And I feel like that's my biggest support. I feel like I wouldn't be here without her in like any sense. Sending me to the States also by myself when I was 17. I think it's a big step. So now I know what she was going through, because I have some kind of separation anxiety.
I thought you have a child.
Oh, absolutely not. But I just feel very like to leave people and go
Sorry.
I wish. I love babies, by the way.
Yeah, really?
But
Bro, I don't know how, I don't get that baby thing here.
it's so cute. It's so shiki pookie mumu.
Please, just outside the gym, some guy came with his little kid, and the other friend of mine went running to hug the child and all. I was saying, bro, I can do that with puppies, but I have just no interest in babies.
I do it with the puppies also, but babies who can't
Okay, compare a
talk.
puppy and a dog.
So cute. They're so
Puppy's
cute.
so cute.
See again, a baby.
Babies are fat, round face.
So cute. Yeah, so cute. But they shouldn't talk. Once they start talking, it's like, okay, shut. Like,
And
go
they
away.
stare at you like they want to fight.
Oh, they're so cute. You know my dream job? Can I say something? That's why I want to go to 9 to 5 SR.
Teaching a baby how to bark.
No. Wow, that'll be cute. That'll be funny. I think AI can do everything now.
Yeah.
You see babies doing everything. But giving a baby ka oil massage. Oh, shiki pookie moo moo.
Now we are Rui, we're going on that line where people were questioning our thoughts
Okay,
and all
sorry.
that. Boss.
Hey, I love babies.
मेरा भी वो hugging तो काफी है. Yeah, I know that's enough. And now we are oiling the child and all that. Somebody's going to put a hand up and say, "ये बंद कर अभी." Be very careful.
It's so cute though. They're so cute. They make me cry. Babies and old people.
Actually, that's a great correlation.
Ah, they're so cute.
There's a similarity, because everything's slower and this and that.
Yes.
Oh, you thought of me and thought of that.
No, like you're fit again. Young and fit.
Young and fit, as we say in Bengali, pit. So you started becoming a phenomenon immediately, like just quickly, which is rare for most people. So that's one thing.
To be honest, even I couldn't digest that, because 6 months ke liye, when I started like hitting the numbers, I was just like, oh, what's happening? Every day was a new day for me. And I had again no idea about the creators, social media, nothing.
And you're one woman show at that point,
yes,
fully.
You can call me anything. It's like, no, never mind. I was just,
Listen,
I can't crack a line.
I'm very careful about all this, because like I keep saying on the air, I have got a very strong wife, daughter and mother. So I have to be very careful.
Yes,
and my
no,
wife now told me if she finds me doing double entendre, sexual jokes and all that, she's not letting me in the house. I don't know how she became so conservative,
cute.
boss. When I married her, we were not like this.
I think she's worried about not you, but other people,
No, they change. Human beings change.
Yeah.
She was crazy, liberal, nutcase, and now she's like ready to join the center.
Protective about you. That's cute.
Yeah. No, also become very female. What's the word? That female feminist kind of.
It's different.
वो गलत है?
नहीं मेरे को कुछ है थोड़ा, मैंने भी थोड़ा पढ़ा है ये सब, बट मैं इस सब के बारे में बात नहीं करती, मैं भी कैंसिल हो जाऊंगी.
ठीक है, कैंसिल की बात नहीं है.
Feminist I know. It's the main thing, but वो फिर I know what you're talking about. Woke.
Not like very standing up for women. That standing
That's a good thing.
standing up for women all the time. sometimes you're just being funny, no?
Yeah.
Stand up. I mean, you don't really a joke. You don't mean really what the joke is saying. Sometimes,
I know
right?
what you mean. Like a
And then you
joke is a
can't-
joke, and then they
They kill the humor because
Yeah,
then you have
yeah.
to explain कि ये literal बात नहीं है. You know, don't let's.
Oh, I get that, yeah, because I have a very dark humor and I crack a lot of dark jokes.
Yeah, but isn't that good? Isn't it
I
fun?
love it. To be honest, that's my life, and that's why I was scared of doing a reality TV show because I am.
It'll all come out. Your personality will come
Yes,
out. Yeah.
I'm just glad it came out, but they didn't show.
Yeah.
Oh wow, thank God.
They didn't show.
Yeah, I'm so glad. It was a very good show. It was a game show. Keep it that way because we were having fun.
They edited when you said
No, like fun jokes, whatnot.
because they're worried about this reactions to certain.
We were having fun, but audience, I think people have become a little too sensitive.
It's not people. It's just one voice here or there who starts the
And then
problem.
people are
na?
jumping.
Haan.
Wo bhi aaye, that also I get.
Here's my thing. When we are sitting together in a group and we make jokes,
Yeah.
right? And there are 10, all of us in this room.
Yeah.
Okay, we are from different sort of backgrounds here
Yeah.
and there and all. Then we all laugh at the same thing.
Agreed.
And let's say it's racist
Right.
about one race or whatever. But we laughed at it.
Right.
It doesn't make us racist.
I agree. I mean,
But then when it goes out on camera, then it looks like we are the worst people in the world.
I feel like if your intentions are wrong, then it's wrong.
Correct.
But if your intentions are clean, then you're fun. You're like
Yeah.
you're having fun. Because I mean, crack any kind of jokes in front of me. I'm chilling.
Yeah.
Nothing can bother me. But if you're serious and saying those things, then it's like
That's
wrong.
insulting.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's right.
Yeah.
That's just
It's a lesson for the day for all you young people. Okay? So have fun, make
Chill
jokes.
out.
Yeah.
chill
I
out.
have to be very careful. This Gen Z is very powerful. I heard. आजकल की बात है.
मैं भी उधर ही आती हूँ ना. मैं भी Gen Z हूँ शायद.
अब तो Gen Z है.
हाँ मैं.
29 is Gen Z, no?
Is it? Millennial.
No.
Yeah.
97.
Shit.
She's born in 97.
Yeah. So it's onwards, no?
Huh?
क्या पता जो भी है.
Let's check. So your cusp, your half.
Ah, yes.
Your Millie Z.
Millie Z. I like that.
Yeah, because there has to be some overriding,
Millie Z
overlapping
is nice.
bit, right?
Gen Mill won't sound good.
Gen Mill won't sound. Gen Mill sounds like you're working in the army or something. Right. आ गया बहादुर.
Gen
Gen Mill
Alpha
साहब आ
Gen.
गया. हाँ. But yeah, so you are Gen Z in a
Yes,
sense. Okay,
kind of.
we won't talk politics. Don't worry.
I'm not political. I'm sushmanical.
What the hell is that?
You can Google that.
How? My phone doesn't have
Come
Wi-Fi.
on, just ignore. It's not a word.
So shushmanical.
Yeah. Anybody asks me about politics, I'm like, I'm sushmanical. I'm not political.
What is shushmanical?
See, you're asking. You're not supposed to
I'm
ask me.
very interested.
That's exact. I actually
I
am.
feel like a failure.
See,
She's 29. Everything she says, you don't understand.
Cyrus is just a word.
Okay,
it's a fake
okay,
word.
okay, what-
Just act cool. Like,
Okay,
oh yeah,
okay.
sushmanical.
Oh, Sushmanical.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
good, yaar. I wish one day whole world is only Sushmanicals. no cars running on electricity. Only Sushmanical. All right, let's get back. We'll come to the reality show. I want to see the whole transition.
Yeah.
In a sense, very quickly it all happened for you.
Yes.
And obviously you didn't plan anything. I think that's the wonderful thing about life also. When it happens that way, people work really hard,
Yes.
trying to do something. Exactly what you said earlier. And then kuch to right, left field se hota hai. And you've not even like paid attention and suddenly this
Yeah.
happens. So then what happened? You started getting lots of numbers in India and all that. So you came back.
I came back because my manager was like,
Oh, you got a manager.
so I was there for a year when I started creating content, and I had a personal manager. Pehla call, I'll tell you, the first
Personal manager
brand
का
call.
मतलब क्या है?
I'll tell you, a first brand call I got.
हाँ.
They said you'll get this much money, and I was like, oh yes, I'm ready. They called me 20 minutes later, budget आधा कर दिया. मैं still खुश थी. मैंने बोला yes, let's do it. फिर मुझे समझ आ गया कि मुझे manager की जरूरत है. So I used to play Call of Duty, and my friend used to manage some artists. So she was like, "Let me manage you." So then I got like one personal manager. I think that's what it's called. So I was working with her for 6 months, and then somebody recommended me. Oh no, one agency, Monk Entertainment. They reached out, and वहाँ से I got with an agency. So I worked really well. I came to India for like a month and a half, and I created a lot of videos. I collaborated with like I would not even think of people. सबके साथ मैंने collab कर लिया.
No, I read that in the bio.
Yeah.
Like Priyanka Chopra and big names like
Yes,
that.
yes,
You'll have to
everyone.
tell us about all that.
I'll tell you I was at the airport. I was coming to India, and my manager calls me, and he's like, "We have a collab locked for tomorrow. Like the minute you land." I was like, "Okay, who?" He's like, Amir Khan. And Amir Khan, by then he was like, I don't think you saw him on social media. He was never like collaborating
he
with
wasn't.
anyone. Yes, so that was the first collab with me, and it was like for Baisakhi. Just
But how did they choose you? That's
I
fantastic.
don't know. I was just so
But
lucky.
you're still coming up, you were a
Yes.
name, but not a huge
Yes,
name. Yeah.
Yes, exactly. That's why I was like so like happy. I was like, I'm not like I'm working hard, but it's just coming to me, and let me just again milk it and like just enjoy and live the life, because I don't know if this will come again. Like ये time कब आएगा वापस, right? So I did all
Plus,
of
Amir
that.
is also aging. So you want to do it fast.
Oh,
Too much?
he's a cool guy. I
Yes,
like
he's a
him.
cool guy. I also like him. But
Yeah,
wait, we
yeah.
just said we can make
I
jokes.
feel like everybody is.
Just we make jokes. I make
Facts.
jokes about my wife. I
Everybody
still like
is.
her. Like
I'm aging
family,
too, so-
Parsis, Indians. It doesn't mean we don't
Hey,
like them.
Punjabis.
Punjabis.
Hey.
Punjabis are like us. You
Yeah,
make fun of
that's
each.
why.
I mean, God.
नहीं ठीक है. I can chill, no? I can be myself.
Chill.
Hey,
Don't
okay,
worry,
ठीक है.
don't
12 बजे नहीं है मेरे. Okay, sorry.
Okay, she caught me by surprise. We have to be a little careful on the
I'm
podcast.
telling-
Now. Certain things we don't say, but yeah.
We have cuts, no? In this podcast, it's not live. We're chilling.
Either we have cuts or cancellation. You at least can go back to the warehouse job, na? What will I do? Dunkin' Donuts में मुझको नौकरी दे दे. That I should be able to pull off.
Yeah, I think you'll learn a lot about coffee. That's why I don't like.
Yeah, she was very thing about her coffee.
Yeah.
By the way, so what happens is we got our own coffee.
Yeah.
And although we don't have great coffee, I can't lie, I mean, we don't have great coffee. We have Blue Tokai and we have some couple of
Nescafe,
names.
yeah.
But you don't like the instant.
I don't like the instant coffee.
This is because you were in Dunkin' Donuts, so you're exposed to
No,
the coffee world.
I'll tell you, coffee is something that I love. Like I'll spend money, I'll do everything because I don't drink, I don't smoke. So वो पैसा मेरा बच रहा है. So मैं coffee और perfumes में डालती हूँ. So
Perfumes?
I love.
How's that a addiction?
बस पसंद है
अच्छा,
मुझे.
as in you spend money.
Yeah, like I in my mind, I'm not spending extra money, तो मैं इस पे डाल देती हूँ. कुछ ना कुछ में खर्चा होना चाहिए ना. So coffee is something that I really love. It's what I in the States I used to wake up and I used to look forward to. Like at night also, I was like, wow, मेरी कल की coffee कब पीऊंगी मैं बना के. ऐसा था मेरे लिए.
Sounds socially quite like sad.
I am a very disciplined. Yeah, it's a very. I had a very. I would say good life, but because that's the lifestyle I miss in the States. I used to wake up at 4, make my own coffee, do CrossFit, work, then again go for MMA, and then come home and
You
sleep.
did all this?
Yeah, that was my life in the States, and I enjoyed it, and that's why I killed it in Alliance because I was like, yeah, nobody knows that.
We'll come to Lions. I want
Yeah.
to know more about
No,
this.
but like,
You're an
in
MMA
this
exponent.
task- Yeah, I did MMA for 6 years.
You show me your hands.
No, right now it's very
You look like you've never hit anyone in your life.
exactly. That's what क्या बोलते हैं chore body.
चोर बॉडी क्या होता है?
So basically, if you try to like attack me or something, I know what to do.
So you
But
don't
I
get hit.
Look like no. I don't even think people try to hit me. I don't know why. I do want to punch someone once. I do. It's like my
You've
thing.
come to the right place. Marketing se we'll get you someone. We'll get you someone.
It's like something that I've been like learning, right? But it's one time I want to like just throw a punch.
But you did MMA, so don't you fight? Don't you make contact?
No. MMA is all about like discipline. Until somebody's attacking you, that's when you like start. You don't
So
start.
there's
a
no
fight.
actual contact.
No, there is. I do sparring and all, yes.
Yeah.
I got hit and then I told them, dude, यही पैसा कमा रही हूँ मैं इससे, please, I can't
हेलमेट
spar."
वेलमेट नहीं है उसमें?
वो करते बट मेरा बहुत ही छोटा सा मुंह है, लग जाता किधर ना किधर करके. वो हेलमेट इतना बड़ा
Wear
है.
the right helmet.
No, it's such a big like
Yeah,
heavy
true,
helmet.
fair.
And then I did like jujitsu like recently. Like I mean, since 8 months I'm not doing MMA because I'm like focusing on
You
strength.
jiu-jitsu also.
Yeah, like everything.
So you're like a martial artist.
Muay Thai.
Muay Thai also.
Muay Thai,
These are very, very
boxing.
violent sports, Baba.
Yeah.
Manager, did you really do all this? This is the most violent form of martial arts that there is.
Proper shin conditioning with
Yeah,
the
yeah,
lakdi
yeah.
and all I do.
And it hurts.
It does.
Yeah.
I just enjoy
Why
it.
do you do all this?
I enjoy it. I get a kick out of it.
Literally.
Yeah, legit. I get a kick. But yeah, I do. I love it. I don't know why I started doing MMA in the States and I was just like, wow, I love it. And then fighting people, they were like proper fighters. वहाँ पे तो तुम्हें किसी के साथ भी
Yeah, and they be competitive, na?
and
They
they
be.
like kick and also even when I'm holding a pad and they're kicking.
Male female भी होता है
they
सिर्फ
don't
female.
care.
वो male female भी होता है.
When you're like working out, they don't care. They have fighters.
So you're
in front of
sparring
them.
with a male who's double your weight and all that.
Yes, they do. They be a little
And they
careful.
kick fully.
Yes. And then you get hit and then you just don't go
But
for
then
like 2-3
this is what
days.
happens in Gurgaon and then we file police complaint.
That's-
There's a huge difference. You see the difference? This is cultural misappropriation. America में ठीक है वो sport होता है.
वहाँ
India में
पे-
you beaten your wife. Come here right now.
Beaten your wife.
Yeah.
वो एक MMA जगह पे होता
That's
ना.
do people know this about her? That she's this martial artist and all?
I mean, I learned and I'm
Yeah.
learning. I still want to learn more.
And you still
because-
practice?
Yeah, jiu-jitsu is something that I'm still like very like I feel dumb.
Jiu-jitsu is the one where they throw, no?
Brazilian jiu-jitsu. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
like every proper like
Yeah.
grappling, everything. So it's very difficult. It's something that I still don't
The
understand.
Gracies, right? They were famous, 2 Gracie brothers or 3 Gracie brothers.
पता नहीं.
They started the trend, yeah.
Oh, wow, okay. I
Uncle
didn't know
knows all this. Uncle doesn't move much.
that. But yeah, I just enjoy. I really enjoy it. And I have बड़ा भाई है मेरा, so उसके साथ मैंने बचपन में बहुत मार पीटी की है.
That is, come on, yeah, Rui, that's anybody growing
9 years
up.
older than me, like he's
Oh,
like
9
properly,
so
yeah.
9 years old is like an uncle figure. Why will he hate
Yeah,
you?
he is.
Huh.
Oh, no,
It's when you're 2-3 years apart that all of us grew up fighting.
That's why I know. That's why I was like, okay, ठीक है, मुझे मेरा बड़ा भाई मार रहा है. Then all my friends also like so big. They just want to like always punch me and hit me. So I always like, I'm like, okay, you come now. Now they're scared of me.
I didn't think that you'd be like a martial artist, with due
Yeah,
respect.
yeah,
You don't seem to have that attitude.
I keep it very low key.
Yeah, but do not fight with Ruhi. who fought with you in Alliance? I know that Mr. Goni was very sweet to you.
Yeah, nobody in person.
Females.
Nobody in person. Nobody.
No female fought with you.
Nobody.
You're the one person no one fought with.
Nobody, yeah, actually.
We
Because
can
I would
check
actually,
this.
again, I fight with my people. I don't fight with strangers, and they were strangers. But जब close भी हो गए इतने sweet थे यार सब. I really like the cast. Enjoyed it. Zaid was talking shit about me behind my back, but then उसके सामने मैं जब गई, he was like, Rui.
Because he knew about the martial arts.
Maybe.
Yeah.
He did see me. Oh yes, because I was
Saw you
doing
practicing.
kickboxing. Yes.
Ah.
Maybe that's why he was sweet to me after
Yeah,
that.
he was worried. Boss, इसमें कुछ है. What if she exposes me?
But वो cute एकदम game के बारे में ही बोल रहा था वो भी. So I think I had no personal grudges with anyone. I had a good time.
No.
Yeah.
Well, I want to save that for the second half. Let's get oh shit, already half an hour. Well, last thing we were talking about. So all these collabs that you did.
Yeah.
So Amir Khan was the first.
First.
What was it? What is the collab?
It was Baisakhi that day, so he just wanted to celebrate Baisakhi.
So dancing basically, yeah.
Dance. I gave him a concept, but to be honest, I just spent a day with him, a very good day. Like my mama was cooking. I took my mama and everybody, my best friends, everyone. I was like, chalo, chalo.
So he became Punjabi for a day basically.
Yes.
Ah.
And he was so
and he becomes
cute.
part of the family.
Yes, and he was also, he called his family. We were all chilling. I just was like, एक तो पहली बार इंडिया आई after such a long time, and ये हो रहा है मेरे साथ, like, you know, I'm sitting with his family, him, and he's talking normally, he's sharing his like life, and then we are also shooting side by side, but very, I think shoot हमने कुछ बहुत ही 10 मिनट भी नहीं किया रहेगा, but we spent like 5 to 6 hours, so it was a good start, and that's why I'm like, you know, in this content business, anything can happen, and just be grateful.
Maybe Amir was just tired from shooting and wanted a day off. So he said, Rui ko
And exactly, and I think he had fun.
We just
He
do some
did have fun.
Gossip, hang out.
Yeah, full chill time.
Does he know that you can do Muay Thai and Jiu-Jitsu and all this?
No, I don't think so. I shared that with
Then he
him.
would have left early. We'll take a break and we'll come back in a second.
No, he didn't.
लाइफ में कोई भी चीज़ हो, पहली चीज़ बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होती है. पहली मेमोरी, पहला प्यार, पहला हार्ट ब्रेक, पहला काम. दोस्तों, मैं हूँ गोपाल दत्त और ये है मेरा पहला पॉडकास्ट, पहला विद गोपाल दत्त, जो रिलीज होगा ऑन IVM पॉप. मैं बातें करूंगा उन दिग्गज लोगों के साथ जो अपने काम में दिग्गज हैं, जिनका नाम हम सब जानते हैं. तो आइए YouTube के IVM पॉप चैनल पर या जहां भी आप पॉडकास्ट सुनते हैं, सुनिए हमारा पॉडकास्ट, मिलिए इंटरेस्टिंग लोगों से. पहला विद गोपाल दत्त.
Just discussing the effects of being a martial artist. She hasn't worked on her martial arts for a little while because very busy with Alliance spelled wrongly. Alliance. Could tell us about the experience. There are other collaborators we have to get to. I hope we have time. We'll get back there. But now let's talk about Alliance because that's. By the way, you're a huge. In our little IVM office also, everybody knows you because of this show, and all the girls were rooting for you, and so we are talking to them. Slightly, I'm not the right age group for this, but of course, Minnie's my contemporary, so I love her and Nikhil, so I'm always following them.
Yeah.
But so you got lots of fans here, I'm saying, because this is part of the reality show and all that. But of course, the personality. I'm praising her too much.
I'm like shy. I don't know how to take
Yeah.
compliments.
Yeah.
I'm like, okay.
But you tell us. You tell us what it was like. What is it really like? See, while we're watching, we only see maybe highlights or whatever.
Bits.
So you tell us.
I think I'll watch nothing because I watched a couple of episodes. I didn't watch the show yet. इतना मुझे बोर हुआ है ना वो शो देख के because we had so much fun.
And they won't-
like they didn't. I don't know if they showed the fun bits or whatnot. Whatever I watched, they didn't. But we had a lot of fun. Everybody was amazing, and I can't believe this that I'm saying this, that I miss every single person. I miss being in that environment. I miss playing challenges. I enjoyed a reality TV show, and I was so nervous before entering the show, before doing a show like this. But now I'm like,
And you knew no one or these names.
I only knew
Let's say Nikhil, Minnie know each other. Some of the actors
I
know
went
each
in
other.
with Neeti, so I knew
Okay.
Neeti, but
But
nobody.
you knew her
else.
before, or you just
Yeah,
knew her
before,
from
like-
one day before?
No, like I knew her. Like
Okay.
for a year we had a proper like friendship. We were talking.
Okay.
But we were not that close. We never lived together. So I'm like, I'm also gonna get to know her. So, but I had an open mind. Like, I think everybody has a perception outside. Everybody knows, हाँ इसका ऐसा, right? Minnie and Nikhil, of course, we have heard their names, and we were just like, I was like, oh, they're doing it. Let me do it. I'm gonna go for it. Fuck it. Let's try. Before entering the show, I was like, I'm gonna go with a calm mind. What if I gel with everyone? I'm just gonna like judge them when they come in and we hang out. उसके पहले मैं एक perception बना के नहीं बैठूंगी, because a lot of people do that. You know, they already have a perception, then they're like, oh, let's attack them, let's fight with them, whatnot. I just want to get to know everyone personally, and then I'll see if I bond with you. If I don't bond with you, then I'm done. But I bonded with so many people. I had so much
But
fun.
you seem to have such a nice personality also.
Yeah.
That I can't see you, now that I've seen you in the flesh, really. I'm thinking I can't see you fighting with people unless they're really obnoxious.
Yes. So if you fuck with me, I'm like losing my mind, and I'm gonna like.
And your mouth high. And then, you know,
That too.
there are some actresses who are doing surgery not because they have to enhance their beauty, but because they piss Ruhi off. I will name them. The first one starts with... No.
Oof. Let me know.
Legal ने phone किया.
Let me know later after the show.
Yeah. You tell me. So when you came in, did somebody advise you? You must have anybody tell you कि boss ये करो वो करो ऐसा करो.
So,
be calm, be not calm.
The only person I spoke to my best friends. One is
But they're not from
in
TV.
One is in the States. Nobody from the TV.
Yeah.
I didn't call anyone. I know a lot of people who did reality shows too. I only called Munawar for like some money problems and asking about kitna charge karo. It's my first time, right?
Oh. I thought Munawar is your CA or something.
No, Munawar Faruqi. Like I just called him. I was like, yeah. So I called him.
Saturday पे मैं stand up नहीं करता. I'll do this.
So I called him. I was like, भाई कितना charge करूँ मुझे ये सब बता दे.
How much did you charge?
Oh, I'll tell you later after the show.
Okay.
अभी ज़्यादा.
Keep the mics on.
So the thing is, I asked him about that because मुझे ना किसी का perception नहीं जानना. Everybody is different.
Right.
If I take their perception and it's a different show. Nobody has ever seen the show. So I spoke to my best friends. One is from the States, who's my hype man. He is always going to hype me up no matter what. He told me, don't give a fuck about anyone. It's your world and they are in it. So वो mindset से मैं अंदर गई. And people from here, like my best friends, they're like, you know, you have so many friends. I actually do have a lot of friends. And I'm good with everyone. Like if you're not in my life, I just don't care about you. So yeah, I mean like...
Sound like the government.
Yeah. Now I know why you have to be careful and why.
I didn't say which government. Could be anywhere in the world.
Yeah,
Albania.
Smart. I like it. So that's why I was like, let me go in with a fresh mindset. I don't want to know advice. ये करना वो करना अपने shell में मत आ जाना. नहीं मुझे जो करना मैं करूँगी. मुझे मजा करना. Like if I listen to someone and I fuck up, then I'll regret it. If I do my own thing and I fuck up, I won't regret it.
Also, you're meeting people now, so that's an organic meeting after that. It's not much you can plan.
Exactly. And it's a reality TV show. You don't know what's going to happen. And I feel like a lot of people, it was their first time, right? Like Minnie. Everybody was doing this reality TV show for the first time as a contestant.
Correct.
So first time ही था, like on screen. I've never done anything. So I was just like, you know, I'm not alone. I have other people with me. So I feel like we are all struggling.
So how was the first day when you got in? Like how were the...
Oh my God. First
You were
day
like the
was-
baby or one of the younger ones.
First day was bad. Because I was hungry.
There's an introduction, right?
Yeah, but I was hungry. I was sleepy. And they started this shit at like 7 p.m. But we were called on set at 7 a.m. And I'm
So
not
by the time
a
you
night
entered
person.
7 p.m.
Yes.
So what they make you wait. They purposely make you wait.
I don't even know. I think they were struggling. There were a lot of people. So उनका entry लेना, ये करना, वो करना. It's just too much. I am a person, I go to bed at 10. तो वहाँ पे 10 बज गए and they are just starting and then this whole buzzer thing happened first episode में. Nikhil went and did this. You have to make alliances. I was lost. I was just like, I need food.
So you were on
I'm
the back foot
hungry.
at that point?
Yeah. I was watching a reality TV show from like अंदर से. वो मैंने I think पूरे show में किया है. So I was just like watching क्या हो रहा है because I have no idea, right? And then I'm like, I'll learn. पहला हफ्ता मैंने वही किया. Like I actually was like struggling to get my stuff. Production से मुझे ये भेज दो, मुझे वो भेज दो, मेरे कपड़े भेज दो, ये भेज दो, वही चल रहा था. And then also trying to understand the game. I feel like I'm not a loud person in general. Whenever I'm playing a game anywhere, I want to.
Not a loud person?
No, like loud as like loud, like loud.
Dominant, like aggressive.
Yeah, like no, like ऐसे ही बेमतलब का. Oh, ये करना नहीं, ऐसे करना है. मैं पहले ना जानती हूँ कि क्या चल रहा है. Then I will like smartly play my game. And I've heard
So
like
who was the first friend then? On that first day when you're feeling a little out of place?
No, I never feel out of place. I'm chilling.
You said you were tired.
I was just sleepy. I wanted like to sleep, but I was not out of place. I was just like I
So
want
who
to
reached out to you or you? Where did you feel some comfort? Initially there must have been one
I was
person.
never uncomfortable. I don't even know. I spoke to Minnie. I really am like fond of her. I was like, wow, Minnie Mathur.
I'm very fond of her, but she married someone else. It's okay.
It's cute. She's so cute. I love her. So then I bonded with her. Uske baad, like first week, I got close to Minnie. I got close to Daisy. We were also living. 4 people were staying in the same room.
Yeah, that's another whole thing, no?
Yeah.
They explain to people that's you don't understand what that is like until you're living with them.
I'll tell you what happens.
It's like, huh.
See, if you can adjust, you're sorted. Like adjust with them emotionally, adjust with them physically.
Yeah.
Nobody was giving us kuch aisa pressure or stress. Like Kushal, he said he snores, so he slept बाहर first week. वो हॉल में सोया था. Sweet, like ठीक है. उसके बाद मैंने उसके लिए no strip मंगा ली थी. मैंने बोला भाई तू अंदर सो, but वो no strip लगा के सो.
But does no strip work?
Yes. Pure love, man. I'll give it to you. Like it's really.
I give it to my wife.
Oh, you should
I'm
give
silent.
it to her then. Oh, so good.
I
like
sleep
he
like
was
a
also shocked.
like a ninja warrior. You won't hear anything.
me too.
In fact, I could kill you.
So I
I'm that good.
took, so I took like the loop wala wo earbuds also because if somebody snores, so I was prepared.
What is a
thoda.
loop earbud for snoring?
हाँ, it works. I don't know, it worked.
मैम, डॉक्टर रूही, अगर मेरा नाक का इशू है
नहीं, बाकी लोग स्नोर कर रहे हैं ना, तो मैं अपने कान में डाल दूँ.
स्टूपिड साइरस.
Yeah. So वैसे छोटी छोटी चीज में I was prepared.
Very good.
Yeah.
You
And then-
fully like.
And then after a week, you know, what I started doing, मैंने वो अंदर घर में भी strategy बना ली कि मैं ना मिनी या तो डेजी के बाद नहाने जाऊंगी because वो लोग बाथरूम क्लीन करके आते थे. Wow. So I was like,
Yeah,
wow.
Minnie's so is Nikhil, by the way.
Oh.
Complete freak when it comes to cleanliness. Huh?
Yes, we saw that.
I have
when we
roomed
were-
with them, not with Minnie, with Nikhil.
No, when we were packing Nikhil's stuff, we saw like
Perfect,
like,
no?
Oh my god.
Coordinated everything.
That we were talking about it. We think that that's a serial killer vibe.
Serial killer vibe. I used to room with him. I never carried a bag.
Yeah,
You go to
but
Delhi, I have no
he has
bag.
a
He has
lot of
2
stuff.
bags for one night.
But he's so cute. Nikhil sir, my throat is hurting. No, Betadine ka spray. ये दे दो, वो दे दो. He has everything. So I think again, you have
You
everybody.
call him
who's-
Nikhil, sir?
I was calling him Nikhil sir. Then he's like,
मेरे
don't
को
call
sir
me
ने
that.
बोला I am older
नहीं,
than
नहीं,
him.
then I started calling him Nixie. See, Sairu.
So he went from Nikhil sir to a Bachchu.
So I went from
Nikhil
Nikhil sir.
Hey, Nixie. There's a total different feel to it, yeah.
Vibe आ गई ना. वो भी like I'm calling Minnie ma'am. She's like, don't call me ma'am. I was
How
like,
can you
okay,
call her
Min.
ma'am? Minnie's a really like normal person.
So I call her Minakshi. Please don't call her that. She'll kill me.
We call her Mathur. For some reason, we always call people by their surnames.
I gave her a
growing
T-shirt.
Up.
Don't call me Minakshi. Or like something like that. Because she hates it. Because I asked her
Yeah.
one day, is that your real name?
Yeah,
Like, Minnie.
yeah.
She's like, yeah. I was like, nah, I think it's Minakshi. And then we just started calling her Minakshi and she hates it.
Yeah.
And I love that. So to bother her, I was like, Minakshi ma'am. oh my God. Trigger. Like message her saying, hi Minakshi. I was just with Rui. She'll just be like, I'll kill her.
Today's her birthday.
It is her birthday.
21st August.
Yes.
Bro.
Yes, it is her birthday.
Let's call her.
She didn't answer my
You
phone.
call her. I'll call her.
Yeah, let's see. She's in New York. So
She's in New York. Fuck. Then the time will be all over the place.
exactly. Yeah, it's like 3 a.m. or something right now.
Yeah.
I
So
miss
sad.
it. I miss it.
So I'll send a message a little later then. Fuck.
Yeah, I'll also call her.
Firstly, as we age, nobody wants to repeat the video of the birthday. Birthday is not a good thing for women as we're getting older. Yeah. Okay.
She'll love it though. But yeah, then I bonded with everyone. And then
I was Suhail.
Suhail sir was chill.
Huh.
Like,
Why did he lose so much weight? What happened
the
there?
thing is, he got sick.
Huh.
And he got sick the next day. He was throwing up. The food was a little like not suiting him. It was.
But I
not
heard you could
suiting
get
me
whatever
either.
food you like.
Oh, no. Who said
No?
that? No.
It was fixed.
So the food was fixed, and for 6 weeks we were having the same thing. That's why we got so irritated.
Hmm.
So same thing, khana rose. We were just like, oh my god, we're done with it. Food was great, but same khana rose.
They didn't give any variety. मतलब
No, यार.
उसमें जो variety है
एक
that
दिन चाइनीज आ गया था, वो भी कुछ टास्क करके मिला, हम इतने पागल हो गए थे. And then people started coming to, like, you know, Suzanne came for Arsalan. She got mutton and all. We were like, wow. Last week we got Sohail bhai के घर से खाना. So we were happy with that. Otherwise, third week I got food poisoning. So it was just, we were sick. Like Sohail sir was very sick because there's no sun. It's AC 24/7. मैं तो कहाँ कांदिवली से मिडिल क्लास, मुझे AC 24/7 नहीं जमता.
Baba.
24/7
Louis, the first
नहीं.
problem we've had on the podcast.
24/7.
I bonded with you completely till now.
Oh.
But we now have to, this is the Lakshman Rekha.
Like,
This
while
is the...
working out, I don't need AC. It's so bad. I need like normal fresh
I
air.
only work so that I can keep an AC. I don't even feed my
Workout.
family. They live downstairs.
See, I don't need AC 24/7. मेरे वो
What is
body
wrong with
जकड़
you?
वकड़ जाती है.
It's the most beautiful invention. I thought about it. For me, the greatest invention in the world is the AC.
No, see, even in the I can't do fan.
Huh.
I hate.
And then
fan.
the wig
wig.
for the male
yeah,
pattern
oh,
baldness.
yeah.
ये दो चीज. हाँ.
मेरा नहीं, मेरा तो माथा.
अब तक तो नहीं. नंबर आएगी. Don't worry.
अब तो सही है, थोड़ा इधर बाल वाल रख तो सब कवर हो जाएगा.
You think?
Yeah, see, right now I'm
Even
doing that
women,
only.
even women lose hair, huh?
Exactly what I'm doing. See, if you see my
Not
forehead,
now. You're 29. Come back in 30 years.
Do they?
Then we'll talk. Of course. I shouldn't say more.
I'll do. See, my mom is a yoga instructor, so मैं सीख रही हूँ ये सब headstand करो, ये करो, वो करो, stress मत लो, ये सब से काम.
You know, hair comes from the mother side only, mostly.
So I'm chill then. I'm
हाँ.
lit. And then I'm good. Mama has good hair. That's what.
Should be okay. If you just see your aunts and all that, it should be okay.
Yeah. Everybody's good. Sorted. Yes.
Why have we gone there? We were talking about this.
Okay, yeah, we
alliance.
always. I love that.
हाँ.
Oh, होता ही
वो
ऐसे
तो
कहाँ
होता
से
है.
कहाँ.
When we can't focus, what can we do? The young people. We are Gen Z.
Yay.
What are we? Gen Mill.
Gen Mill.
नहीं, Gen Mill नहीं. Gen Mill cancel किया हमने.
Milzy.
Milzy.
I
Right,
like
boys.
it.
हाँ.
So yeah, so उसके बाद again, Sohail bhai was chill. Everybody was chill. I loved the show again.
So as the days got, instead of fighting, you actually got closer.
I got closer, but then certain people were like irritating me.
But they were purposely doing it, right?
So,
Then all the shows they
my thing
come with
is,
agenda.
When I get angry is when it's game time in the arena. If you fuck up and if you're like not using your brain, I get irritated, right? Like there were certain things that I had an argument with Zaid about some game strategy. उसके बाद मैंने उसे confront किया. Then he was like, "I'm sorry, I thought you knew about a plan, all of this nonsense." I was like, "No, dude. In the arena, I'm playing for myself. I'm not playing for anybody else. But if I want to help people, I want to help people. That's how I play a game. And if you're not aligning with that, that's okay. But that's the only time where I was like angry. And if somebody was poking me, or if I was on my period, so I was using my period card. I was like, yo, I'm too emotional. Shut the fuck up.
Bro, my wife says you can never say that.
Yeah, you can.
He said all you men think that everything is caused by period.
No,
and all that.
ऐसे बोल देने का चलेगा.
बोलो या मत बोलो. Don't confuse me, women.
मैं बोल देती हूँ.
One is saying you don't use this all the time. One is saying you use this all the
My
time.
thing
I
is-
hate it. I'm gay from today.
I like it.
Yes. I had it.
Welcome to the team.
Yeah.
But that's what I'm saying. I feel like if I'm too irritated, I'll just say it. Usually I'm very lucky. I don't get cramps and also I'm very chill like that. But I just use it.
But at the end of the thing, there's certain bonds that are happening, na?
Yeah.
They're seeing you all the time. It's like a
did-
family
yes.
all the time. So after some time, you either like the person or you don't.
So I have like 5 to 6 people who I'm like very
Names?
close to. Yes. Agu Ali Bali.
Agu. I saw that bit with Agu.
Agu Ali Bali, Daisy, Seema, Mini, and Dilbar. Wow, that's, yeah.
Not
7.
bad. So
Love
now name
them.
the others. That's who she doesn't like.
Neeti, no. Neeti also I came in with, but these are the new people. Neeti
Okay.
to I know.
Okay.
But rest of them,
Nikhil you didn't mention.
Nixie is cute, but he didn't call me for coffee or anything. So I'm waiting. Then we'll get, the bonding and all. He's like living his life right now. I think he's somewhere traveling.
He's always traveling.
Always traveling.
He's an unbelievable guy.
Yeah. But he said this one thing in the show, मैं शो के बाद बताऊंगा मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, मैं शो के बाद बताऊंगा.
And?
Because a lot of people had problems. उन्होंने कुछ नहीं पता अब तक लोगों को शो के बाद.
Acha, very good line.
Yeah. Because people were like, Nikhil sir, why are you doing this? He's like, मैं शो के बाद बताऊंगा. And I was पीछे से मैं उन्हें there's no शो के बाद बताना. I think he just played a strategy.
You all had a party, na? At the end, like a get
Rap
together.
party. We had multiple rap parties.
Huh.
Because good
So
rich cast, dude. So
Any,
सबने
any,
रखा
but any
poster.
change in personality when the rap party is
No,
on?
I feel like everybody was normal. Everybody was chill. Like मेरा तो ऐसा था when I saw myself like वो top 3 में, right? मैंने देखा मैं top 3 आ गई. मैंने बोला मैं chill हूँ अभी. I love everyone and I'm chilling with everyone. Even though I had no issues with anyone. मेरा game तक ही था. उसके बाद I'm like everybody is chill ही है यार. सब अपना अपना game खेल रहे थे जो भी है. And in the party also we were all chilling and having fun. But again we kind of miss people. So that's why we were meeting. We were going for all these parties. मैंने सुना यूजुअली शो के बाद एक पार्टी होती है. हमारे इधर 6-7 हुई है. Because सबको पार्टी करनी
What
थी.
kind of 6-7 rap parties?
Everybody's rich and everybody wants to throw their
Oh,
own
अच्छा,
personal
they all
party.
individual parties were
Yeah,
organized.
I'm also gonna throw. थोड़ा मैं कांदिवली बुलाने वाली हूँ सबको.
हाँ.
So उसके लिए थोड़ा time
It will be a
लगेगा.
bit of a challenge.
That's why I'm waiting
Yeah.
for like October.
For the crowds to become less.
Yeah.
For the station to clear.
Be like, come to K-Town.
So would you do it again? No, not exactly this, but मतलब reality
I
TV का जो
think,
experience है वो
I don't even know. I feel like I got lucky with this. Now I'm scared.
Oh.
What if I do something else and I won't like it?
Yeah.
Then मेरा वो reality show का वो ही निकल जाएगा, खत्म हो जाएगा. I really enjoyed Alliance because it was a game show. If there's any other game show where I have to use my mind and like my physical proper strength, I will do it. But if it's just to like fight about random shit
people
or
living
food,
together and how to.
I'm
yeah.
not doing
So
that.
Big Boss basically
मैं
you're
तो
not.
बाहर हूँ.
हाँ.
मैं
Big
नहीं
Boss
कर-
नहीं.
मैं बाहर मैं फर्स्ट वीक ही निकल जाऊंगी. मेरे से नहीं हो पाएगा ऐसे झगड़ा पागल जैसे लड़ो खाने वाने के लिए. I can't do that. So I can only fight for like some sense वाला stuff. Otherwise I'm like oh बाप रे नहीं. I would go back to my 9 to 5.
But what was you're never going back to 95. What is the
Big Boss
worst
9 to
moment?
Worst moment.
एक भी ऐसा था कि where you felt कि बस बचाओ.
बचाओ.
नहीं चलेगा यहाँ
I
पे.
feel like when I got sick, I hate being sick and being away from my mom. That's when I was like I was missing my mom and then you have to do challenges. You have to deal with everybody's emotion. मुझे एक टाइम के लिए ऐसा लग रहा था मैं थेरेपिस्ट ही हूँ because मुझे सबका emotion समझ आ रहा था. मुझे सबका like reaction समझ आ रहा था. and people were coming and talking to me and like, you know, feeling thoda lighter, whatnot. But I felt very like
So you had
overwhelmed.
no one to unload to.
I did, but when I'm sick, I was just like, I'm feeling overwhelmed. And but then I think I was sharing the room with Minnie, and I felt really good because she's one that proper, you know, she'll take care of you vibes,
Yeah.
especially if you tell her, you don't tell her. So I think one day I was sick and I got cold shower. उस दिन उन्होंने गर्म पानी नहीं भेजा and I was flipping. मैं बाथरूम में प्रोडक्शन को बस बेचारों को गाली दे रही थी. I'm so sorry.
वो सब है शो में?
वो नहीं दिखाते वो लोग.
अरे
Yes.
वो मेन शो
I
होना
was so
चाहिए.
angry and then I come out and they're like हमने नहीं किया जान पूछ के रुई. मैं बोला आपने किया आपको पता मैं बीमार
तो
and
हुआ
I got
कैसा?
hurt. The thing is the day before that I got hurt in a task also. तो मेरा neck भी अकड़ गया था. I got bruises everywhere. Plus like lose motion. Plus like sick. Plus everything. So I was just like having a tough day. And I feel tough time was last week because it was almost getting over. Whenever we got like days off, we were struggling because there were no challenges. What do? We're just sleeping, waiting for the same food to come, just eat the same food. We now know everyone, so we can't even talk. Kitni baatein kar le hum. So last week was difficult. So I feel like that one day when I flipped, and the last week was a little difficult because I just wanted it to end because patience level मेरी खत्म हो चुकी थी.
Just like the podcast.
No, I'm chilling actually. I'm having fun. 42 days बिता लिए मैंने वहाँ पे बात करते. ये तो
42
मेरे लिए
days?
कुछ नहीं है, yeah.
42 days?
42 days.
I didn't know it was that long.
Yeah. And I stayed for like मैंने तो plan किया था. if
Till
I
the
get
end,
out-
you were there till the end.
But I planned first week में निकलूंगी तो मैं कैसे खुद का मजाक उड़ाऊं. Second week में निकलूंगी कैसे उड़ाऊं. But I was fine. Sixth week when I entered, I was like, wow, क्या game खेल रही हूँ मैं. Then I was like, I'll play a game. Because I enjoyed it. Again, I feel like if you get a chance, you should go for Alliance Season 2. I'm not gonna lie, you should.
I'm more interested in Minnie than the actual game.
I think that'll be fun then. You should invite her for a podcast.
I like the cold shower. I might have to take that
Oh
alone.
my god, it was scary.
Yeah. Anyway, that's Alliance. So whether you do we'll find out whether she does another reality show. The team will tell us. I'm
Hopefully,
sure.
let's see. Maybe
Yeah.
Traitors.
Hey, yeah. But Traitors is also skill based.
is,
You want to do something which is skill based, na?
Skill-based,
Where your
it's a
mind is
game.
used and body and physical prowess and all
Yeah,
that.
the only thing is I do trust people, but I have to go in a mindset where I'm not trusting any. कुछ तो मुझे करना पड़ेगा. I can't act for shit. So maybe I'll laugh or something and I'll like give up. But again, maybe Traitors I can play. I'm thinking, or otherwise I'll go for the kicks. And if there's any other game show, maybe Alliance Season 2, just to give.
Apparently,
you know,
they've started season 2. Yeah. But
Hopefully.
they won't call the same people back, no?
I mean, I'll just be like wild card बुला लो थोड़ा डराने के लिए एक दो हफ्ता एक दो चैलेंज परफॉर्म करने के लिए बुला लो मजा आ जाएगा. Maybe the Alliance, what is it called? All Stars. 5 साल बाद करे तो अच्छा लगेगा.
That's a good idea.
Me and
All
Agu were
stars.
planning to go
Yeah.
together.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
as
like the
an
way
OG
Agu and her
Alliance.
have decided that they're the veterans of the format.
Yeah.
एक ही पार आ गया.
We were like, we
He's
actually
great, Abu
bonded.
Dhabi, no?
He,
Yeah. It's
I'm
very funny.
closest to
He made
him.
me laugh so much in the podcast.
Closest to him and Daisy. Like, he is hilarious.
Yeah.
And I just bonded with him so well. And he used to come and talk to me when it comes to like, उसकी ना शक्ल देख के पता चलता है जब वो स्ट्रेस ले रहा है. मैं जाकर उसको पूछती थी क्या हो गया अग्गू बोल अभी. I'm just thinking about if I'm doing it well or not, if I'm performing well. I'm like, stop overthinking. So उसका वो cuteness ना मेरे सामने आती थी. वरना he's a tough guy in front of other people,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
So I saw his soft side. Like he's very mature emotionally. So I like those qualities. Like he's a very good guy, sorted guy.
And you shut your eyes and you think you're talking to someone in UP.
Yes.
And then you
Yes.
open your eyes, he's Nigerian.
And
It's
then
just
like,
fantastic.
we had a very crazy bond. Like he was sleeping in front of me. He used to throw pillows and he used to wake me up.
yeah.
He used to throw me. टपली मारता था मुझे. मैं बोल रही हूँ इतना बड़ा आदमी है तू यार आराम से. And he threw me up in the air. Yeah, that was a celebration.
And they're friends.
Like a kid. I felt like a 1-2-year-old. You know, बच्चे को उड़ाते हैं ना. I was going to hug him.
Did he ever tell you about Nigerian culture and how they are more corrupt than Indians?
I don't even-
I was
yes.
so
Yes.
disappointed. I said, "How dare you take this corruption from us?"
He was sharing
apne
everything.
yaar. How dare you? And he said, "No." He started laughing at me. He said, "You're nothing. You're a bachas." Corruption के बारे में you're बच्चे.
He
you
was
know.
telling us everything. I told him because I want to go to Nigeria. He
Yeah.
was like, oh no, you have to come with me.
Yeah.
I was like, yeah, of course, I won't go alone. The
They
fuck?
kidnap and they send the kidnap on TikTok. The ransom.
Oh, I didn't know about the TikTok vibe.
They're very advanced.
Oh wow, that's cool.
So kidnapping के बाद your family will come to know on TikTok.
Imagine.
Yeah.
I think that's the fastest news, na?
Yeah, it's fair.
Yeah.
Staying
उस
with the
news पे
times.
डालना, wow, they're very advanced.
Okay. Before we wrap up, quickly tell me about the collab. So you did Amir Khan, then Priyanka Chopra also.
Priyanka Chopra, I did.
So what was that?
Priyanka Chopra, I love. Especially after meeting her,
I mean,
I'm
before
a
you
fan.
became a star, you always liked her.
No, so before I was fond of her. I was never like a fan. And after meeting Priyanka Chopra, I was a fan because her
In spite of seeing
personality-
Quantico.
I didn't watch that.
Then no doubt.
See, that's why.
That's fine.
I watched good stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, good stuff.
She's done lots of good stuff.
Yeah. So but again, I love her personality. I love the vibe.
So do I.
Oh my god, so cool यार. एकदम मस्त. मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा था एक ऐसी बड़ी बहन मिल जाए ना, मजा आ जाए लाइफ में. And I've met her like recently also. She's just so nice. She remembers everything about you. I like people like that.
What is the collab but?
The collab was like about
Dancing?
Anomaly, her hair product, but then he was dancing, yeah. And we had a lot of fun.
Again, you did the steps?
Yes, I asked her to do everything and she was like, bro, I'm having fun, let's do it, yes. मजा आया, but उन्होंने भी मुझे अपना concept में like she was like, you know, let's improvise it, let's do this. I was like, fuck it, let's do it. She was,
She's a good dancer, no? I can't
but
remember.
I'll tell you, yeah, she's great at everything she does.
I mean, we danced only twice.
Yeah, she's amazing, I love her.
Thrice if you count Matharan, but...
I love her. She's such a good personality. And again, you know why I've collaborated with a lot of people. कभी-कभी time भी ऊपर नीचे होता है ना, and I am punctual at times. Like I love being punctual. प्रियंका का collab के time.
Is this a criticism? Because I didn't pay
No,
attention.
I came late. इसलिए मैं खुद के बारे में बात कर रही थी. मैं थोड़ा 5-10 मिनट late हो गई थी.
Oh,
बस.
अच्छा.
मैं खुद का बचा रही
You
थी.
realized as you were praising yourself, तारीफ करके you realized that today you came late.
5 minutes. 5 minutes.
Yeah, it's fine.
But
Bolo.
with her, it was like 12 o'clock sharp. We'll start the shoot.
But she's American, no? Now.
And her team, I loved her team also. You know, some people ka team is very irritating.
Huh.
Her team was like
sorry?
very nice. They had a stopwatch for 20 minutes. 20 मिनट का कोलैब रहेगा, जाओ शुरू.
Wow.
But मजा आया.
What pressure?
नहीं, मेरा तो हो गया 10 मिनट का काम होता
Sounds
है
like my सुहाग रात.
मेरा.
My in-laws were standing outside.
20 minutes, I was gonna say that.
Boss, Indian man, yaar. Come on.
I mean, I wouldn't know. Different team.
Fair enough.
But yeah, so I love her. Like after meeting, I'm a big fan now. Like, I love her. I can fangirl.
Also, I
over
think
her.
she's done. If you look at her as a brand ambassador for India abroad, I think she carries herself really well. You know,
Really
I mean,
well.
she's so confident, which is Indians weren't looked at as confident people, but
Yes.
your generation and I think Priya ji before you,
Yeah.
it's a good thing.
Priya ji.
Priyanka ji.
Oh, Priya
Once
ji,
you become
I like
famous,
it.
you have to say Priya.
PC, you know, I mean,
PC.
for me,
There's
it's
also Mrs.
PC.
Chidambaram's first names, the ex.
Nahi, let's go back.
finance minister,
Yeah,
so
see,
I-
politics, no.
That's my growing up. My PC would be that. And then this PC, and then different visual comes to the head, and not dancing.
But see, I've also collaborated with her husband, Flex.
Really?
मजा ऐसे करके थोक.
Singing?
The thing
What does he
is-
do?
No, I made him do the whole.
Bhangra.
I did.
You've done all the Hindi stuff.
Jonas Brother, yeah.
Huh.
Yamla Pagla Devana.
Oh, you did that.
Jette Yamla.
Dharmender thing,
Yeah,
huh,
yeah.
huh.
But they never asked. They said don't post it.
Why?
Can I please post it?
Why
now?
can't you post it?
I don't know. Something was happening, and they were like, just put English song. उनका गाना डालो.
Oh, अच्छा, the copyright issue.
नहीं, उनका गाना डालना था. मैंने बोला मैं डाल ही नहीं रही हूँ
But
क्योंकि
उनका
मैंने इतना.
गाना over the dancing is already recorded. no?
Exactly.
So how do you do
will I-
that?
Exactly. So they make no sense at times. But I think next time I'll.
This is his team. This is not him.
Yeah, that's his team, not him. That's why. If
Can't
I'll
you
meet
call your
Priyanka
PC
again,
and tell her?
I think I'll do that. I think
Yeah.
I'm gonna DM her. Hey, can I please post this video? Can you please take
How
approvals
sad, yeah.
from-"
Why waste it?
And then that's the time when the whole Jijaji Sharma was happening in
Yeah,
India.
yeah.
So I made him do that also. Everything I did.
And he did it all properly.
So the two other brothers, they were like, they did the same thing because he left. He was shy and he left the video, like the screen. And then the other two brothers, they were like, "Arey Jijaji Sharma aa gaye." It was a cute concept.
Oh.
Approve ही नहीं किया इन्होंने यार.
Not his team.
Yeah.
Well, I'll talk to them. Call the Jonas brothers.
Yes, Jonas.
So, line 2. Jonas, no?
Yeah,
How do you
yeah,
pronounce it?
Jonas.
Jonas.
Jonas. Wow, what the fuck am I
Jonas?
saying? Jonas Brothers.
Jonas.
Yeah. थोड़ा अभी
Yo,
US
Punjabi na. Jonas को बुलाओ,
Jonas.
ऐसा। हो गया.
I like it.
That's it.
हाँ, इंडिया में अपन
We
मैं
met
भूल
them
गई.
halfway, बस बहुत हो गया भाई. प्रियंका married him. उसके बाद
Yeah,
नाम वाम
that's
तो मत
true.
बोल.
That's true.
हाँ.
Jonas.
Yeah.
कुछ भी बोलो.
Jonas. Oh, Jonas.
निक्का निकवा बुलाते थे बेचारे को. इधर के बाद निकवा सर निकवा जीजा जी.
Really?
Yeah, they called him Nikwa.
Wow.
I like
What
it.
is that Spider-Man chick's name?
Jhandia.
Jhandia was the best. I think
Jhandia
that
was-
was the best.
that
It
was the
actually, it
best.
was like Ganpati's going on, you know.
Yeah.
Jhandia! क्या करता? इकडे टाक!
Paps are funny.
Yeah. I think
Hilarious.
we screamed and his ears have gone. All right.
Jhandia, wow.
So who are you looking forward to now collabing with?
Oh wow, wait. Let me think. To be honest, Diljit Dosanjh.
But you already, he seems
No,
to be
I
a fan.
didn't meet. I want to meet him.
Oh, I'm
That's-
sure it'll happen.
But I don't know if I want to meet him.
Why?
मुझे ऐसे organically मिलना है. I don't know why. It's
Like Karma should meet.
no. After that, what will I do? There's like
Then like you reached that
yeah,
point
for
in the-
me.
Fair.
Otherwise, then I have international artists. So
Kaun?
I like Megan Thee Stallion, Tyler. I mean,
So how do you reach out to them?
I don't know. I hopefully do something that they'll reach out to me.
Hey team, Also reach out to all these guys. Take the names down. I
These
can't
guys,
remember.
कुछ भी करो, फैला दो.
I'm struggling with saying Jonas.
Jonas.
So I don't want to take any more names.
But yeah, I feel like I have a lot of other people. I just can't think of it. But मिलना है एक दो बार अच्छा लगता है, मजा आता है. And I chill. I don't ever like fangirl, but I like to know them. Like if I meet them, I'm gonna ask them like weird questions.
But you do fangirl one or two stars.
दिल में. Otherwise I act. Yeah. One
Now
or two
you're
stars.
now you're
yeah.
no name. Now you can't over fangirl because
No,
then
I do. I be myself. The thing is, I'm not expressive. मुझे कोई surprise भी दे देना मेरा नहीं
You
आता.
mean you're not expressive. I spent 1 hour talking.
No.
to you.
Like ऐसा like oh my god surprise दिया तो I'm crying. I'm just like very.
मतलब
awkward.
overacting.
नहीं.
What kind of
some
Punjabi
people-
are you?
हाँ मेरे से नहीं होता. मैं एक वीडियो बताऊंगी मेरा. Somebody surprised me. I usually surprise people. Okay. मैंने US से भी surprise किया लोगों आके. मेरा ऐसा एक वीडियो है पूरे 20 सेकंड की वीडियो में. Wow surprise. That's all I'm saying because I don't know how to react. You know, some people cry, some people are
So
happy.
you're saying when you're told to react, you don't know how to react.
No, even when I'm like somebody, like it's just I don't know.
You're reacting fine to me. Unless
Maybe we are,
this
like,
whole show is a
comfortable.
fake show.
No, we're comfortable.
For 1 hour, she's not reacted correctly. She's just lied to
See,
me.
this is
and
my
I'm
novel.
so old, I can't see
think
properly.
I'm thinking about it through a proper Instagram reaction wala video. You know what I mean? Like if somebody surprises me,
Yeah.
I'm like, wow, ऐसा सब मैं नहीं करती हूँ.
Oh, why
मैं
can't you be
ऐसे-
low-key surprised, yaar? इसमें क्या है?
वही तो मैं
That's your
हर चीज़ में
personality.
मेरा low-key है. Like,
Low-key is
MMA,
good, yeah.
I enjoy.
Why do you have to? Everybody can't be
What
like
is that? What's that word? Nonchalant?
nonchalant. But
Nonchalant.
you're don't become
Nonchalant.
like him, my good friend.
Who?
उसका इतना overacting है भाई that now he can't even take it out of his system. So the bell rings, he'll be like,
Oh, अच्छा हाँ,
you
that
know,
is
वो stage का acting जो हम लोग करते थे ना comedies में, ding dong. I mean,
Yeah, no, I
come
get
on,
it, I
yaar.
get it, I
It's
get it.
too much.
I
yaar.
can't do that.
Don't do that. So
That's why I
fine.
don't act.
Anyway, there's one more question coming from your side. What do you want?
She played in a music video with Guru Randhawa.
You were in the video with Guru Randhawa when you were young.
Oh no! Oh wow! I wish you are funny. अभी Alliance के पहले.
Oh, okay.
It's yeah.
How was that?
I enjoyed it. I don't think people are enjoying it.
Why?
I
Is there
enjoyed
controversy?
it. No, the people are not liking the song. To be honest, I liked it.
Huh.
It's called Fine Shit, and
It's called fine shit.
yeah,
But Guru Randhawa has been there for so long. Also, I mean,
Exactly.
he's nothing going to bother him.
I like it.
Huh.
Like when I was doing it, I did it before the show. I enjoyed it. I think you'll also enjoy it.
I'll enjoy it.
Yeah.
I like anybody who's
music.
cheeky. Cheeky. The moment I hear fine shit, you got me. I mean,
You
yeah.
should like hear the song. I think you'll get hooked.
Done. Can you get Guru Randhawa on the show?
Oh, I would love.
एक
to.
बार
He's
MTV के time में
such a-
I have interviewed him.
Such a cutie guy.
Yeah.
I think he's a sweetheart.
Yeah.
Genuinely a nice guy.
Diljit also can you get? Call na.
Can you please get Diljit so
Oh,
that
yeah,
I'll come be the cameraman. I'll come be the mic person. I'll come give this. I'll be like, hello, sir ji, sastri kaal.
Okay, let's start from lower level. This is going nowhere. Let's start from who can you get from Alliance on the show?
Mini.
Mini we will get, but now
Yeah.
we have to.
What do you want?
Now she's a star. Now
You tell me
now
what
when
do
I
you
call,
want?
the manager picks up.
I'll recommend.
Now I can't call her. वो सब एक मिनट में फर्क
आपको
होता है
चाहिए
ना.
कौन? आपको winner ही मिल रहा है बस
Yeah,
चाहिए ना
yeah.
mini.
You're the best. We don't want any more. after
Thank you. That's so sweet.
Rohi Zindabad.
Hey. Again.
Alright, that's it. We're
Thank
done.
you. I
It's been a
enjoyed it. This was
wonderful
fun.
1 hour. Lovely
Thank
to meet you.
Wow, it was 1 hour already.
Yeah,
मजा आ गया. Wow, exact.
exactly. Little bit.
मजा आया.
Yeah.
Yeah, I had fun.
As we say in America, cheers.
Cheers. Hey.
You vote there? Did you vote last time?
No, I didn't. I was here.
हाँ. But you can do proxy voting ना, embassy
नहीं, वो
embassy
सब
vote.
मैं
नहीं
नहीं
है.
हो पाया.
इंडिया में वोट करते हैं आप यार?
इंडिया में अलाउड नहीं है. OCI है मेरे पास. I can't vote, but I can do everything else.
Let me make a call.
Again, not political, sushminical. नहीं, but I will, yeah. देखते हैं यहाँ पे तो कर ही नहीं सकते.
We don't have dual, no? Some countries have dual.
I
We don't
can
have dual.
no, I have yeah. यहाँ पे नहीं है. Like
नहीं.
I have OCI again. I can do
OCI का कोई
everything
मतलब
but
Tax कहाँ भरता है? यहाँ पे वहाँ पे.
यहाँ पे.
You don't double taxes, don't
I
there?
do tax also, but वहाँ पे कुछ जाता नहीं है जेब से, तो I'm chilling
Oh.
because I'm not earning there, no.
Right.
So I have to pay.
Not yet. What happens when you do?
बाप रे यार, ये टैक्स भर भर के मैं थक गई हूँ.
Hey manager, सोचो हाँ, ये डबल टैक्स अब बड़ा इशू है अमेरिका के साथ. हाँ.
नहीं, that's why I'm chilling now. OCI is, again, you can do everything here but vote.
Yeah.
So everything is.
But that's okay. That way you're not, you have no alliance.
Nice one. Nice way to end it.
Did you know Indians report nearly 800 cases of online financial fraud every day, which has resulted in losses exceeding 1,000 crores in the last 5 years? To keep you safe from such fraud, I am starting my newest podcast series, Conversation with Vigilante, an initiative by HDFC Bank. In every episode, I will feature special guests who can share expert insights on the different types of fraud, their modus operandi, and how you can protect your money. Stay safe, stay vigilant, and don't forget to tune into Conversation with Vigilante. Catch the episodes on all audio streaming platforms and V for Vigilante YouTube channel.
Cyrus says every time, Cyrus says, जब ये कहे तुम सुनो,
प्लीज तमीज से बात करना है ना, इम्पोर्टेंट पीपल यार.